TLWTPTITB. The laziest way to put toilet paper in the bathroom. Zach, you put toilet paper in the bathroom while I feed your baby sister? Sure thing, Mom.
There's a freaking centipede on my floor. What am I supposed to do?
Mom! Oh my fucking God, what is it now, Junior? You can't cook for shit, bitch. That's cause your little fat ass love greasy food. You want some soup? Hell no. You want some salad? Fuck no. Then shut your little fat ass up. God damn.
You sure you want to do this, little girl? I mean, what if we're dangerous?
What if I am?